About this yesterday, I think it is worth repeating. We've spoken about the various elements that a judge has to consider in weighing up sentence, and it's the interest of the community, the position of the accused, the severity of the crime, but there's that fourth leg as well, the issue of mercy, which was enunciated by the former Chief Justice Michael Corbett in a famous case, wasn't it?
State versus Rabi. Correct.
Now, I think, just summarise quickly, what did Corbett say when it came to this issue of mercy that is also a feature that the judge must include?
What the learned judge said, and what the viewers need to know, he said, look, there are these different legs of sentence, but the one that you must never forget is what is called the fourth leg of sentence, and they all need to be balanced equally. That is the element of mercy. You're dealing with a human being. It's the hardest job of the lot, and I'm sure the judge will tell you when it comes to sentencing a fellow human being for a crime that he or she has committed. And what the judge said in that particular case is very, very simply, what you need to do is, whatever sentence you come to, blend it with a measure of mercy. Don't have maudlin sympathy, that was the words that were used for an accused, but at the same time don't have the concomitant of a sledgehammer. So in other words, don't use a sledgehammer and break the person, but at the same time also don't show maudlin sympathy. Just balance it. Show that you're a human being. Show that you've taken everything into account, balanced it, used your discretion, and then blend that measure of mercy into the sentence. And that's why you sometimes and often find, when it comes to that a portion of a sentence is suspended for a number of years. So you get an effective period of imprisonment, for example, in a case, say for example 10 years, and 3 years suspended for 5 years on conditions you're not again convicted of a crime of a similar nature. That's the normal type of condition. They can impose other conditions. And then when the courts look at it and you take an appeal, they say, well, didn't the judge extend mercy? She blended mercy.
So that's the articulation of the mercy.
That's the articulation of mercy, not just suspending, but showing that you did find that if it was the minimum sentence, you'd have to then look for substantial and compelling circumstances to deviate from the minimum sentence. And that's also part of mercy, in inverted commas. That's how the judges do it.